feeding ducks. 3 months old. Native ducks in the Philippines. Yan. 3 kinds of color, or maybe 4 kinds of color: black, white, gray. Here is the breed of this duck. It's called Itik Pinas, locally named in Philippines. This is Itik Pinas. The female is color black, and the female is color dark brown, and the male duck is color black. So this is hybrid Itik. This is a hybrid ducks. So